Polarlander is the high-tech enterprises which specializes in design, development and produce electronic products.
P21 is a 3-in-1 mode, OBD2 plus GPS plus slope meter. HUD TFT Gauge. Blue Storm theme. Mechanical instrument theme. The Fast and the Furious therme. Digital technology theme. Future sci-fi theme. Turbocharged pressure gauge. Vehicle tilt slope motor. Data stream theme. A-pillar suspension installation. Switch thems with a click. Whole vehicle data. Function settings. Easy installation. Find out the OBD2 interface. Cable in the gap. Access to the HUD host. When driving normally, the ambient light automatically adjusts its brightness according to the environment. There are various options, such as revving ambient light, speed ambient light, constant ambient light, off ambient light, high water temperature, low voltage, vehicle leaning too high, speeding and other driving abnormalities. The variable red light flashes to alarm, making your journey more secure.